Viewers and subs, Wagwan, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to 4K Shella Energy, and in this update we have Kyodi at this up back fully bad and attack a bag of things. Plus we also have a mother who beat up a little girl, bust up her head, brawling out of a spoon. Viewers, we have to touch upon the topic, you see me? So channel man, like up this review and share it up, click the bell to be notified so you don't miss a brand new upload every day. Big up on yourself and make sure say you subscribe to
Immortal, you know that, you order, I'm out blank. You see chain a gold that, phone ring next to that.
But nobody has to remember fully bad. I mean shoot at him, which me never have to shoot at him. Because we don't have 10 to shoot at and I get a figure. Byron Messiah, you see it. Demarco and I get a figure. So when me shoot at fully bad, I mean I give him a figure.
Viewers, when you think about that, just by hearing that small segment from Kyodi, when you think about it, basically Kyodi has said him are the reason why FullyBad is relevant. You see me? On ear to out time out. Him has said him give FullyBad the strength and make people even know him. Because Kyodi did a clash Demarco, Byron, him that this Byron Messiah, and also Tentic. So Kyodi did a diss up those three artists. You see me? But Byron Messiah never respond. But him that diss up those three artists, like I said. So basically, Kyodi make them know say, yo, if I never fit him, FullyBad would still be a ghost in this. Nobody wanna know FullyBad. You see me? Him give FullyBad a strength. But viewers, me not think that clash a finish, you know. Me not think it finish. Because most people are put the L upon Kyodi name. I don't know say no artist now go want to take the L. You see me? No artist now go on to take the L. So, I don't think that clash a finish. But the only way this might be finished is if FullyBad ignore Kyodi. Because viewers remember, you know, people are say FullyBad won the clash. So if FullyBad say, oh, I me win the clash, so me now melts you a different dopey me a look or ray, then you know say FullyBad basically, you can say FullyBad makes a bigger picture. I'm not makes Kyodi. You might go say Kyodi in the past because FullyBad, remember, viewers, people must say FullyBad won the clash. So you know, say FullyBad would have good say, yo, me nah meds bro. Different dopey me meds, different thing me meds, you see me? And like I said, Kyodi, the people must say Kyodi lose the clash. So Kyodi would have want to, you know, defend himself. Sure, everybody say, yo, bro, I never me lose the clash. You see me? So Kyodi, like I said, came live and him talk about things. Viewers when think about that. Him a diss up FullyBad, same way. But they think say the clash done, to be honest, but obviously it's like Kyodi not at the L. Kyodi not at the L. See me, him a go diss up back a man just so him can get the clash started again. You see me? But me see the votes, viewers, and me realize say most of uno I say a FullyBad won the clash. You see me? Most of uno I say a FullyBad won the clash. And me say less people say a Kyodi. So that's why me say Kyodi nah go want to tell the L. You see me? Him a go diss up a man just so him can start up back something. You see me? But me don't know if FullyBad may go back in the clash between him and Kyodi. Maybe not. Like I said, people say FullyBad win the clash. So me don't think Kyodi would have even want to go back down the road there. You see me? But me don't think about that, viewers. And let me get it out of the ear, viewers and subs. You see, a clash doesn't determine if an artist is not good. You see me? Not because everybody may say a FullyBad won the clash doesn't mean say Kyodi no bad. Kyodi a bad artist. And look upon Pablo YG and Marlidan. Most people say a Pablo won the clash. But yet, look upon Marlidan right now. Marlidan basically a burn up overseas. You see me? Whether him won the clash or whether him lose it. Marlidan a burn up overseas, no joke. So a clash doesn't determine if an artist is good or not. Yeah, a man may lose a clash, but him still can be the better artist and the better artist. But him just lose the clash because, you know, maybe the crowd gravitate to the other man more because of him hometown. So some simple things can make a man lose a clash. But that doesn't mean say the man that lost the clash is the worst artist on the stage. No, it doesn't mean that. You see me? So viewers, if you would like to see another clash between FullyBad and Kyodi. You can just let me know in the comment section. As me, yeah man, leave it down in the comment section and let me know. But anyways, moving on to another thing.
Alien no afraid and no boy ya dumb. No, when you know about Jim Brown grandson. Room in your
Jaja, viewers, I don't know if most of you saw this video, but if you saw it before, just leave it down in the comment section and let me know what you think about it. Yes, let me know if you don't agree with what this lady, more than likely she's a mother, so let me know if you don't agree with what she did. My honest opinion is that I don't like what she do. And the fact that everybody beat this little girl, bro, I don't like it. I think me that hear something like she bust up somebody head. Me not sure. If you don't heard the full video or only hear nothing, then just let me know also. But I think them that say she deserve it because she did something like she bust up somebody head, and this is the mother who come take revenge. Me not like how everybody just gang this little girl, bro. Nobody in a party, nothing. Everybody just gang this little girl and beat her. It's like them plan to kill this little girl, bro. You see me? And to how the mother did lick this little girl in her head with the spoon, is like she just try to open the girl head. Try to bust the girl head. You see me? And at the end of the video, she literally did do that. You see me? It's not a good look. I don't rate what happened. You see me? I don't too want to say much panic because I don't know the situation or what the little girl did. But as a parent, bro, you can't quick for just go bust a man head. Go bust a little pin head like that. If a big pitney now and you know say your child is very small and would understand the frustration. You see me? But when you go take yourself now for join the fight and go bust them head, yo, that's a total no for me. You see me? I understand say it's a child, and if your child come home with a bloody face or you know you go upset, you go angry. You see me, you go want to damage the person who do it. But next thing now you go there, and you realize that the child that damaged your son or your daughter is very small like your son or your daughter. Viewers, when would I do? What would you do? If a person now way bigger than your son or your daughter now would understand say, yo, head off a bus, you understand? No joke, I'm not agree on it. But if I want to look a child like your son or your daughter, I don't know, bro. I don't know if I could have got bust back in my head like that. But I know I'm going to have a serious talk with the parent. You see me? No joke. So viewers, there's a lot of different ways to look at this. But to be honest, I don't rate how the mother dealt with it. No joke. And how everybody just beat this little girl. Like them just plan for dash her away brawling. You see me? But I don't know think about that anyways. I don't know say me pretty different and everybody pretty different. As me, maybe I say something and I disagree with it. But you can just leave it down in the comment section and let me know if you agree or disagree. You see me? Yeah man, big up on yourself like always. Like up the review, share it up, click the bell to be notified so you do not miss a brand new upload every day from this channel. You see me? Yeah man, like always, big up on yourself and catch you in another one.